around the world to the business of Europe and North America are which nanotechnologies will create new industries, new corporate heroes, and most importantly, really new fortunes. There's roughly about 1,200 nano startups at last count globally. Half of them are roughly in the U.S. and Canada. And again, you see the investment community are combing the markets for nano-focused companies and creating nano indexes even to that point. Investors are intrigued by the allure of this market. Contrary to existing economic conditions, it's a growth area. It's an intangible, much like healthcare or education, something that's sort of in a post-industrial manufacturing sense adds value to existing traditional manufacturing routes. And again, industrial giants, 25 to 30 of the Dow Jones Industrial Index, have launched nano initiatives, so it's pretty widespread. And when you think in terms of that, so you get a whole idea. If you look at some of the application areas, they're very diversified just by way. They get into space-based radiation shielding, hybrid plastics, the supplier of these supposed POS, the polyhedral oligomeric sulfoxane materials. These are the high-temperature materials. They are very radiation resistant, so they get into radiation areas. In Denmark, there's Atomistix AS has come up with new nano software simulation to emulate material technologies and use physical property applications. And their software is making its way through places like Matsushita in Japan, NASA, here in the States, Sony, the MIT Lincoln Laboratories, major universities, and research centers like the Fraunhofer in Germany. And again, nanoplates have had a play even in packaging. And Nanocore has come up with a bottle barrier layer packaging. Mitsubishi Gas Chemical has a nanocomposite MXD